Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to use free modeling to create a table. Okay, first you got the plan, then click on free modeling. Okay, so very simple. You need to know your table size. Draw a rectangle. Okay, so the length I'll put 1200. Okay, then I press tab to shift to right. Then I put 600. Enter. Okay, so this will be my table. Then I'm gonna stir sheet. Okay, like 50 lah. Give it. Okay, stir sheet. Okay, delete the number first. Delete the number 50. Enter. Okay, so once you complete, then you can highlight it and Ctrl G, group it first. Okay, make it a group so nothing can affect it. Okay, then you may need to use subline. Okay, add subline to know your table. Okay, so let's say the table, I give it the height 750. Okay, 750 the height. Enter. Okay, here. Then I'm gonna move the table up to the height. Okay, maybe okay, move it. Okay, here. So after that, we need to do the leg lah, for the table, the leg. Okay, what we can do something like this. Add subline also. Remember, add subline. Okay, so add one subline. I put 100. Okay, this one I put. Okay, you must see the line correctly. Okay, right click exit. Here, I give it 100 also. 100. Enter. Okay, just double check the line. See the line is in the correct enough. Below the table. Correct. Okay, so we add another subline also lah. This subline help me locate the chair lah. When you're using free modeling, you need to make sure you got a planning for the model. If not, you don't use. Okay, so this one I give it 50. 100 also lah. So just 100 also. Okay, see this one, my line is correct. Okay, just double check below the table. Okay, it's correct. So here, add another subline. Add another subline. Click here, come to here, 100. Okay, delete the number. Enter. Okay, so make sure it's correct. Just check below the table. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the leg lah. I'm gonna use cylinder lah. I'll use polygon. Then I change the edge to 30. Then it will become a circle. So click here, draw it. I put the number is 50 lah. 50. Okay, 50. Enter. So this one will be a circle. Then I'm gonna click on it, stir sheet. Okay, stir sheet until all the way down to the floor. Okay, all the way down to the floor. But the floor is how much? I don't know. Go up again, so make sure it's on the floor. Okay. Okay, so if you want to play with pattern, then you can click on this one. Click this zoom. Okay, we make it smaller a bit like this. So you can see the curve. Okay, do some pattern. This. Okay, do some pattern. So after we do the pattern, then now we're gonna add the copy the leg lah, or copy the leg to each other. Okay, first thing you need to add one more subline here. Okay, make sure you come back later. Okay, so I'm gonna add one more subline here. Okay, by using this one, 100. Enter. Okay, right click exit. So you can see the subline here. Later you can come back to this angle. Okay, to this angle. So I'm gonna move it this one. M. Okay, we're gonna move it all the way here, or just don't block my vision. Okay, move you away. Okay. So now I'm gonna copy the leg. You can click on the leg, this one, the leg, then press M, you see move, then press shift, you see copy the cross. So make sure you're in the right point, then click on it, move it, okay, in the right point, okay, copy on the intercept point lah, copy the intercept point, okay, right click, exit, okay. So the last one is move back the top lah, or this one, you can click on here, then move it back, okay, just move it back, okay. Usually you got a line intercept, so will convenience you for using to move it back here, maybe here. You can see the mouse, you can see the mouse, the right place, okay. Correct. Okay, so this is what subline can help you. Okay, so I clear the subline and group it, Control G, group it. Now it become a table model, so you can move around. Press the button M, you can move around anywhere you want. Anywhere you want. Okay, back. So I have not recommend using modeling to do table since you got system cabinet can do it. Okay, better you use system cabinet to do it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.